Hey everyone, welcome to Adventure Channel Canada. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing the LinQ Seat Bag. This is the one that goes right behind the seat. I purchased it a few weeks ago. It was on sale for $200. It was a 30% off. And I'll show you a picture of it here of what we're going to be installing. It's a quick video. It's an unboxing and a quick installation to show you guys this is something useful that you want to purchase as well. I download the instructions. There's not much here. It's very simple. And I also have the box here. This is how it comes. All right, let's get into it. Okay guys, I got the camera strapped here on my hat. I got another view over here of what's going on. So let's get going. So the part number is product number C24878038474, and it's called the LinQ Seat Bag. That's what it looks like. There's some parts. If these fasteners break, we can order parts to replace them. For your RXP, you're gonna have to remove, cut out the foam here. And for the GTX, RXTX, and other ones, they get mounted right here via this system here. And that's the way it looks like mounted behind the seat, which is going to be right here. So not much else. Maximum weight is 5 pounds, and let's get into it. All right, so I removed the tape. Let's open this box up, take out the packaging here. So go to instructions.brp.com if you want to download this. Not much to download, but if you wanted to, here it is. So that's all done. Look at the size of this bag. This thing's huge. Wow. I didn't expect this from the picture and all that it would be this big. Again, BRP website had it on sale from like $250 to like $200 almost. And this is it. Okay. I actually thought it was waterproof, to be honest with you. But this is just a material. Okay, bag storage rear kit. Oh, the part number is 295101073. So again, it wasn't cheap. It was $200, but it looks like it's all solid here, and it looks solid in here. I don't know what this is. I guess you can compartmentalize if you wish. You have a little place to put whatever you want, some loose items in here. And then you have another little compartment in here to put a few items. It's not bad. You can never have enough storage on a Sea-Doo, especially when you're going on adventures. Oh, and this is just access through here. So you put some stuff in here that you want to access the big items instead of unzipping this whole thing. That's really smart. And that. Okay, so the Velcro here, you can mount it there. And mount it here to hold the dividers up. And then one zipper to zip this whole thing up. There's the whole bag. There's the LinQ systems in here. That's in lock position. Let's unlock it. It's got good solid hardware, good backing. You can take it out and carry it with you if you wanted to, like so. And there's the bag. I thought it was kind of like a waterproof bag. Little handle here. Little handles here for your fingers. Good quality zipper. Yeah, so next step, let's get it installed. All right, let's get this bag installed. So this curved part here, I took the back seat off for the first installation just so we can all see. So it would go like this. You would line up these mounts here with these cutouts here. If yours is covered, you're gonna have to get a knife out and cut that out. But it's pretty simple. Snap it in there. It's my first time doing it. Then there's those clips. And that's it. It's locked in there. It's actually pretty solid. The seat's gonna cover here, I guess, right? So let's grab the seat. And that goes there. And there it is. Yeah, it goes perfectly back there. That's what it looks like. Not bad. It's totally out of the way. I could probably put my anchor in there, some ropes in there, just stuff, because in my bin in the front here, it's always full. Maybe I could put my some clothing in there. Will it get wet? It definitely will get sprayed and wet, but it does have this protective layer here. So I don't know. It's not waterproof, but maybe like water resistant. So there it is, guys. There's the install. Pretty cool. Oh, it's got two zippers here, so you can quickly access stuff right in there. Nice hard bottom. I like the yellow. It's nice and bright inside. And the zippers work really well. There it is, guys. What do you guys think? Let's put some stuff in there to kind of get a feel for it. All right. So I brought out a few items here. I brought my anchor, which I would prefer to have it in here maybe. My bumpers, they're so annoying to grab when I need to remove them and install them. And they take up a lot of space in my front. And I brought some rope as well. Just to give you guys an idea. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but let's see. In terms of understanding how much volume you get. So first thing is this anchor. Would love to put this in here instead of in my in the front. So there you go. Look at that. Lots of space. And I'll leave that one up, so I don't have to bring it down. There you go. And maybe I don't have to bring any of these things, dividers, down. Some bumpers in here. Let's see. Oh, wow. Rope. Oh, I didn't prepare myself for this. Sorry, guys. Never know. I hardly use rope anymore because I installed the speed ties. I didn't do a video for these and I regret it, but these are the speed ties. Just lift that up and I tie to the dock. and there's one over there in the front. Okay, then this bungee cord one, always useful. Get that, and then this I use for, I use this for my anchor. So like, I don't know where to tie my anchor. It's so annoying to tie it here. I put this in here, like so, and then I tie my anchor here or here. No, right here. I tie it here and done. And then it's a lot closer for me to maneuver and stuff. So that's what I use that little one for. And that goes in there, maybe even in here, or maybe I'll use this for something else. Not sure, but just to give you guys an idea of the volume you get. And that's not bad. I didn't expect to get everything in here. But I did. Let's take this off because I'm keeping it. So there you go, guys. There it is. Let's do a little close up here. Good quality material. Probably can see in the camera that I'm holding a camera. Here's a perspective. This is hard here, all around. There's lots of space still in there. I can put a lot more stuff in there, for sure. Let's see if I install my cooler, if there's gonna be any problems. All right, let's put that there. Okay guys, I grabbed my cooler, which I use all the time on my trips, just to have some nice cold drinks and some snacks. So let's get that in there. And see what happens. And that looks pretty good. Yeah, it's a little bit of a pain to put these in. To be honest with you, look at that. See? So that's a little bit of a pain. I mean, it's not the end of the world, but that does suck. But I could always reverse it if I wanted to. Get that in there. I could always do it like that, I guess. Yeah. And then to access stuff, I would have to kind of come around over on top to grab stuff. And that will make things a lot easier. But so that's the situation with the cooler. It is somewhat in the way, but again, it's a pain. Or do I just slide it down through here? Lock that in, slide it down, lock it in. So there's that. But that's pretty awesome because I get to carry a lot of stuff now on me. And I still have that whole bin empty to carry some of my other stuff. It's So I would just sit here. I would turn around, thirsty, pop this, pop that. Which, you know, it's not the easiest thing. And then boom, grab what I need to grab. It's not like you're gonna go in the cooler every 2 minutes. You're probably gonna go in there once or twice. And then putting it back, it's doable. And I could definitely put a lot more stuff in here. Oh crap, I still have this part. I can put some things in there. How about accessing? I don't want to grab the anchor. I can grab it here. Grab the rope. And this. And you grab it. So no, you cannot take these off. Or maybe this side panel here. Grab it. Oh yeah, there you go. Boom. Dock it. And then just throw these things back in after. And done. Love it. Awesome. Alright guys, this is gonna do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe. I always try to get out videos about Sea-Doos and ATVs and other adventures I go on. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. See you later.